and in this video we are going to talk about strategies for doubles. Okay, so doubling means to create two sets of something. So we're going to do that here with these numbers, 1 through 9. So when we're doubling, we could think of it as making a copy. So we went from having 1 to now we have 2. Okay, so let's look here. So I'm simply just making a copy. And you can see by my definitions, I have 2 sets of 2 here. And that gives me a total of 4. So we're going to continue to look at doubling as having 2 sets of something. See, you can see the 2 sets right here. And I have a total of 6. Okay, so I'm going to speed this up a bit. Okay, so we have now seen what it looks like to double the single digits of 1 through 9. And so over here we have our original set, we have a picture, and it's double. So as you see, our doubles are even numbers. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to think about how can we apply this knowledge to be able to double larger numbers. So first, we need to have the foundational fact knowledge of doubles of single digits. So that means you should be able to look at this right here and automatically recall the double for that number. Once we have that, we can then have the ability to double any number. Okay, so let's take a look at the number 46. Okay, so for 46, what we could do is we can decompose this number into 40 and 6. And so since we know that 4 and 4, we know the double is 8. Well, this is 10 times larger, so that's 80. This is 12. 6 doubled is 12. So I know that my double is 92. Let's look at this with another number. 37. So I decompose 37 into 10s and 1s. Okay, so I double my 10s. That would be 60, because I know 3 and 3 make 6, and this is 10 times larger. 7 and 7 is 14. So I know that my double is 74. Let's look at doubling larger numbers. Okay, so the same strategy. We are going to decompose this into hundreds, tens, and 1s. We double our hundreds to 200. We double our tens to 60. And we double our 1s to 12. So we know that the double is 272. Okay, I would like for you to press pause and double this number using a similar strategy. Okay, so let's review this one. There are a few ways I could go about this. If we go with the strategy we're looking at earlier, then we could separate it or decompose it into hundreds, tens, and 1s. Double of 300 is 600. Double of 20 is 40. Double of 9 is 18. Okay, so when I add this together, I get 658. Although I would probably adapt my strategy on this one because I see that this is very close to a friendly number, such as 330. So I would double 330, which I know is going to be 660. But because I did this twice, that means I have to take 2 away because I did too many. So I get 658. So the main thing when you're using strategies in math is to be flexible and see what the numbers call out to you. And then you can have efficient strategies for most anything you're trying to do. Alright, so in this video, we talked about how we could use an efficient strategy to double larger numbers.